What's up, everybody? I am Thomas J. Bellezza, and this is the Right Mindset channel. And today is an amazing day of celebration for this channel. Now, first and foremost, thank you all for supporting this channel, watching, liking, sharing these videos. Do you know what happened today? Do you know why this video even exists? I'll tell you. We did it. That's you, me, this channel, the community. We have reached 500 subscribers. And I can't tell you how happy that makes me. Wait, I can tell you, and I'm going to. I want you to know I say we with confidence because it's we who made it possible. I may make the videos, but you watch them. You give me your precious time, and that means more to me than anything. I can't even write words for that. And I'm a writer, but I want to try my hardest to ensure that you get to really think about the writing process through these videos, that these videos are there as a way not to say this is how it's done, but to go, look, there are different ways to approach the writing process. And 500 subscribers is telling me that it's connecting with the audience and that you're finding value in it. And that just means so much to me because my hope is that it just gets you to be creative, that it helps you to develop the right mindset to write and be creative. And if I can give you the tools that elevate your craft and put you in control of the stories that you write, that's a small little piece of the joy where it's just like, time spent well and given the right energy. That's all I'm saying. And look, with that, I truly do hope that you continue to give this channel your time and love, and I will continue to give you quality videos, or at least videos I feel are quality, and put them out there for you. Um, and the reason that I want to even put them out there is A, because I want to discuss writing openly with others and myself in the community. B, I want to be able to find what you are looking for to better improve your craft, meaning like I'm going to continue to find ways to teach and educate and inform people out there, the audience, of the writing tools that exist. And C, I hope that you could be entertained while learning a little something about writing, the industry, and some factoids about the thing we all love the most, which is the world of literature and the authors who have given us their gifts. That's right. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, I give factoids. I teach you a little bit about the history of writers and authors, and new, old, and dead. And we see their journey and we see what their processes are, and I break it down. Now, here's to another 500 subscribers with a hope of reaching 1,000 within the next 6 months. You think we could do it? I think we could do it. If we reach it or not, I'm still going to publish videos every week for you, the audience. Which brings me to this, a quick update on the scheduling of the videos. And I want to give you a quick look-see at that schedule so you can be aware of it, and we could be enjoying this at the same time. All right, so here you go. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Share the screen. Let's do it. Boop, bang. Bloop. All right, so there you go. Beep. Let's look at that. So I'll read it, but it's there. Every Tuesday will be a 2 p.m. Video lesson video. Now, this follows the standard 9 playlists that have been established over the first year of the channel. So this is everything from outlining to character development to the writing rules, so you could break them, writing advice, things like that, and the interviews. Saturdays at 2 p.m. I'm gonna continue to do live videos, except I'm gonna alternate back and forth. So basically, there'll be a video, like one Saturday, it'll be a video that just kind of like breaks down in real time, like tools and rules of writing, so you could see it in process. And then the alternating Saturdays will be me doing a live in real time development of a story. And right now, there's a few videos out for that. And it'll just continue, and you'll just see me developing a story in real time. The first Monday of every month will be a story analyzation video where I reverse engineer novels, movies, and shows to break down how the 27 plot point outline is utilized in different narrative formats. And sometimes I do really terrible stories just so you can see that even terrible stories follow some sort of format. Anyway, every other Thursday, we'll continue to have interview videos for the Right Mind Set podcast. And of course, I'm currently working on a new list of playlists that will alternate every other Thursday with those videos. So let's see, that's Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, guaranteed videos. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, you get the 1 minute videos. That's right, 1 minute videos. You can't go wrong with that. Those are my shorts that I release, and they're very nice shorts. They're designer shorts, and they're very sexy. See, stupid jokes. Uh, and those are just fun videos that really, like, there's little tidbits of like marketing advice, but it's also like, tropes and things about writing and stuff like that. A little insider into the writing, thoughts from the writer's mind, etc. So those videos will exist. So that's all I'm saying is following this channel, you get videos Monday through Saturday. You can't go wrong with that. Anyway, look, I just want to say thank you uh, for all the love. And thank you for the support and the compassion. I read and interact with all your comments. I see you, I feel you, and I am grateful for the continued support. So I just want to say, as always, keep developing the right mindset, and I'll continue seeing you soon. Bye.